Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Engineering Machines. As you all know, at Genius Engineering Machines, we always try to provide you the best packaging machines at affordable prices, which gives you more production, required less maintenance, and are also very easy to operate. So in today's video, we will tell you about such a machine which requires less maintenance and less space also. With the help of this machine, you can pack granules and free-flowing powders just like tea, grains, lentils, sugar, mustard seeds, washing powder, semolina, rawa powder, spices powder, as well as whole spices. In this machine, you can pack your product from 25 grams to 250 gram. In some cases, you can also go up to 500 gram. This machine is completely pneumatic, for which you will have to install air compressor at your factory. Because of being PLC operated, the machine doesn't depend much on the operator. Even a person with little technical knowledge can operate this machine easily. Fully stainless steel structure is very strong so that the life of your machine is longer and it does not get rusted. The machine can be run on single-phase electricity. The total electrical consumption of the machine is approximately 2 kW. All electrical motors, gearboxes, bearings, Allen shafts, gears and sprockets are heavy duty. As you can see, right now we are packing 250 gram tea and the weight accuracy is plus minus 2 gram. Also, you can see the finishing of the pouch, which is perfect. It is also 100% leak proof. I hope you like this machine. See you again in a new video with a new machine. Till then, bye bye and take care.